At first, take a fresh tomato. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then add 1 tablespoon rice flour. Then add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Then add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Apply this mixture on your skin for white and fresh. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash with water.